In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a connected board column and mirror columns in Monday.com. We'll walk through each step carefully to ensure you know exactly what to do and why we're doing it. So let's dive right in and start making your Monday.com experience even more seamless and efficient. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Monday.com. This is where all the magic happens, so open up your browser and head there now. Once you're on the site, take a look at the upper right hand corner of the page. You'll see the login button. Click on that to kick things off. Now you'll need to access your account. You can log in using Google if that's more convenient. Just look for the sign in with Google option and select it if that's your preference. If not, you can manually enter the email address you'll be working with. Choose the option that works best for you and suit your needs. With your credentials entered and logged in, you'll now find yourself on the main dashboard. To connect different boards, let's begin by adding a new column. Scan the top of your board for a small plus sign. It's located right beside the last column on your board. Clicking on this plus sign is your gateway to new features. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Connect Boards. This powerful feature allows you to link numerous boards together, keeping related information at your fingertips. A list of your available boards will pop up. Choose the ones you want to link together, then confirm by clicking Connect Boards. After connecting the boards, you'll see another prompt. A suggestion to set up mirror columns will appear. Let's put that on hold for a moment, so just click I'll do it later. By doing this, you're setting the stage to create mirror columns later, where the real accomplishment takes place. When you're ready, go back to your connected board column. Click on the blue plus sign button once again beside the last column. Now it's time to select the specific boards you wish to connect. With the connection set, it's time to focus on creating mirrors. Go back to your columns and click on the plus sign button again. This time type mirror into the search bar. Clicking on mirror allows you to visualize data from connected boards at a glance. When prompted, click connect and then connect boards once more. This step will finalize your setup. Finally, select the boards you want to mirror. This feature is particularly useful for keeping track of activities and updates across all the connected boards directly from one place. And there you have it, a streamlined way to connect and mirror columns in Monday.com. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial and have fun optimizing your workflow.